I used to make it when I was a kid with my siblings, and I really enjoyed that time. We still make it and send us pictures each other. So, the ingredients we need are chocolate and hazelnut spread, plain biscuits, it can be any biscuits, square, round, but it has to be plain, milk, any milk, and ground coconut. So, let's get started! First of all, we are going to fill the biscuits with chocolate spread. You can put as much as you want. I like to put a lot. And then we are going to put in the milk. We are going to soak them, so when they get soft, we are going to cover with ground coconut. I recommend you not to put a lot in the same time in the milk, because if not, they are going to break down. We are going to put them in a plate. And that's it, we have our very lovely coconut biscuits. I love them. I'm going to have some for breakfast. Oh no! Oh! So thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one.